In this chapter, we are going to talk about why nutrition matters, hydration, nutrition recommendations, and 3 key vitamins and supplements. I also provide a concussion-friendly snack idea list and a smoothie recipe that I absolutely love. Concussion is an energy deficit, which leads to a neurometabolic cascade. This means that a lot of energy is being used to try and create homeostasis or balance in our system. As a result, our bodies are using up energy more quickly than we are able to produce it. Proper nourishment is critical to helping our brains heal. In particular, a diet that is well-rounded will help to repair damaged tissue and regain normal function. While research is still growing, we do know that dietary adjustments are paramount to offsetting the inflammatory response and reducing symptoms related to concussion. Let's talk about hydration. Hydration is key to recovery. Staying hydrated will keep your body working efficiently and help decrease brain fog, decrease headaches, improve digestion, and increase energy. Aim for roughly 100 ounces of water or fluids throughout the day. This should result in urinating 5 to 6 times per day, and your urine should be clear. Drink water throughout the day, not just when you're thirsty. You can add an electrolyte supplement for flavor, but be mindful of powders with excess sugar or processed additives. A little bit of salt, maybe 500 to 1,000 milligrams, can be helpful as it increases blood volume and aids in increasing blood flow back to the brain. Try adding natural flavors such as fresh lemon or lime if plain water isn't appealing. Avoid excess caffeine. If you're normally a 1 to 2 cup a day coffee drinker, there's no reason to stop. But beyond that, avoiding caffeine throughout the day is advised. If you're needing an afternoon boost, try a cup of green tea. Avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. so that it does not disturb your sleep. Energy drinks or drinks that are high in caffeine and sugar will likely make headaches worse, and they will degrade your sleep quality. So here are some nutrition recommendations. Good nutrition is paramount to the healing process as well as maintaining our behavioral and physical health. Here is what you can do to help your brain heal. Limit processed foods and foods with refined sugar. Excess sugar has been shown to impair brain function and increase inflammation. Increase protein intake. This is because your brain is using up energy and isn't producing any energy. Aim for at least 100 grams of protein per day. Avoid inflammatory foods such as refined sugars, red meat, white bread and pasta, and artificial sweeteners. You can try adding healthy fats such as coconut oil, flaxseed oil, nuts, avocados, or eggs. Choose whole foods that are not processed and try to consume a variety of fruits and vegetables. Do not skip meals. Eating at regularly scheduled meal times will help keep your energy levels steady. Smoothies are also an excellent source of nutrition and hydration. Here are 3 highly recommended vitamins and supplements. Omega-3s. Omega-3s will increase blood flow, decrease inflammation, and reduce depression. Omega-3s can be found in fish, particularly salmon, chia seeds, flax seeds, and leafy vegetables. If you're choosing to take a fish oil supplement, the recommended dosage is 2,000 to 2,500 milligrams of combined DHA and EPA daily. Vitamin D. Vitamin D decreases the inflammatory response post-concussion. The recommended dose is 5,000 IU daily. Creatine monohydrate. Creatine provides an energy source in the brain during energy crisis. It supports energy homeostasis, decreases mental fatigue, increases memory and recall, helps sustain energy and focus. The recommended dosage is 5 grams per day. Here is a list of concussion-friendly snack ideas to get you started. Turkey sticks, berries, including blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, avocado toast, smoked salmon on whole grain toast or minimally processed crackers, hummus with vegetables or pita, dairy-free yogurt with walnuts, flax, and pumpkin seeds, hard-boiled eggs, apple with almond butter or hummus, and smoothies with dark leafy greens such as spinach and kale. And here is my favorite smoothie recipe. So first, you're going to take a cup each of frozen mango and frozen pineapple, a few big handfuls of spinach, add water to your preferred thickness, blend well, and enjoy.